Well, welcome to QuipCon. Got an Adamatic proofer here. It's going to be a little hard making a video on this because, well, it's such a big proofer and we have such a small camera. If I move the camera back and try to get the whole proofer, you can't see the keypad. Incidentally, this is a brand new keypad. We put a new one on. There's the old one. One of the buttons was kind of intermittent. You had to kind of wiggle it to get it to work, so we put a whole new one on for you. So this is brand new. The only part that's really going to wear out from people, punching it all the time. Things wear out. Nothing lasts forever. So we got a new one on here for you, and I'm going to show you how it works. Like I say, we got a close-up because if I set it far enough back to see the whole proofer, you can't see the numbers. So we're going to have pictures on our website, which is www.quipcon.com of the whole proofer. So we'll turn it on, push the power button. Running through a test stage, shows you all the display, all the digits are working. And there it goes. It's taken off. The room temperature right now is 66, 67 in here. I have the temperature of the proofer set at 75. The humidity is set at 82%. And this is the time set. And this is the hours and minutes. Well, let me show you. Push up. And it's set for different times. Like on number 4, it's set for 35 minutes. On 5, it's set for 45 minutes. On 6, it's set for an hour. So we can change that. Now, change the humidity. Real simple. Push the button. Want it to go down, you push down. Want it to go up, you push up. Temperature, same way. I know you know how this works. I just want you to know that it does work. And we can start the timer right here. It says proof timer, start and stop. We'll push that. The digits in here start to flash, so it shows that the timer's working. It's going to be a little hard for this to warm up because we don't have doors on it, so it's going to be warming our whole room up here. But I do have a voltmeter right here. And I can set it to amps. You see it says 0 amps right there. I'll clamp it around the element, push hold, and we got 6.99 amps, so it shows that that element's working. I'll go to another element here. That one is 6.94, shows that it's working. And to one more, well, we actually have two more. That one's at 7 amps, so that one's working. And the last one, 6.93. So you know that's working. So all 4 elements are working. We are raising the temperature a little bit, but like I say, most of the hot air is coming out here into the warehouse. And we've got a pretty big warehouse for this little thing to heat up. But it is bringing the temperature up. The sensors are all up here, the temperature sensor and the humidity sensor. Now this does have humidity, so it's going to have a water valve on it. So what I'm going to do is set the humidity up. And when it gets up to temperature, the water valve is going to click in. I just heard it click in there. So this is the water valve right here. Goes up on top of the proofer. Your water line hooks in here and it runs down to the line so that it squirts water in. Like right now, you can see it's open. See the dust on my hand? So air is going through it, which means water will go through it. Now let's say the humidity, it's pouring steam in here, so the humidity is going to go up. So I'm going to turn it down, which will simulate the humidity going up, if that makes sense to you. We're going to get to a point, there we go, where it doesn't blow anymore. So the humidity, So the humidity is shut off now. So the humidity in this room right now is about 66%. So I know it might be a little hard to understand, but if we turn this down, it's the same as the humidity inside the thing going up. Kind of an odd thing, I guess. But that is how it works. So and that does prove that it does work. Let me show you a few things on the inside. Like I say, we got all these covers off, so you can see what's going on. These are the 4 elements that I just tested. This is one. There's another one back there, one here, and one back there. You can see they're all in real good shape. These are the over temperature sensors. If it gets too hot, it'll shut it down if something would go wrong. It's kind of a safety feature. There's the 2 fans. Sorry about it being a little dark in here. Here's the light. We don't have a light hooked up to it, so that's why it's dark. I should have done that before I made the video. This is the sensor pack up here. Senses temperature and humidity. And this is the water nozzle right here where the steam comes out. Well, water comes out and gets hot. Turns into steam from the heat. Take a look inside. I'll get some better lights on it when I make the pictures for the website. And this is the ladder that we used to climb up on top to work on it, but that doesn't come with it. These are the doors here and the caution hot sign. You see, it's in pretty good shape. You can usually tell by the stickers on something. If stickers aren't tore up, the thing was kept pretty good care of, because stickers are usually the first thing to go. You can check out the display, see everything's lit. I'll push the buttons here so you can see that they all work. Set temperature up, set temperature down, got humidity up, down. You just heard the relay click there. Time set, up, down. Hours and minutes, we'll see the timer's running now, so that's not going to change. There we go. We'll turn the timer back on now. You can see it starts to flash, which means the timer's working. And the main power, I'm going to shut that off right now, and you see all the lights go off. Now the fans are still running because it's in kind of a cool down mode where they don't want to just shut it completely off with these hot elements here, so it's still going to pump a little bit of air through them. They're on a timer. They'll shut off eventually. They run for a little while. But that's it. Now check out the website, www.quipcon.com. QUIPCON.com. That might be how you got to this video, or you might just got lucky and found me. But check that out. There's going to be pictures of this unit in there. See some nice shiny pictures. And our eBay store too. You just go to www.quipcon.com, and there's a link there to our eBay store. And if you want, you can type in the search point on YouTube, you can type in QUIPCON, QUIPCON, and you can see a lot of our other videos in case you're looking for any other part, any other equipment. All right, well, this last little part here is stuck on the end. I just want to show you how well the door closers work. That's the door closers there. When I open the door, it bounces back like it's supposed to. This one bounces back like it's supposed to. I'll close this and you can see it latch. That one latched. And I'll close this one. I'm just kind of giving them just a little bit of a shove, nothing special, and it latched there too. So, one more time, you say, that was so exciting. There we go. That one popped in place. That one popped in place. It latched. And it latched. There's the seals right there. You open the door here again, you can check out the seals on the door.